Good morning, dear students. Today we discuss the topic of unconventional machining of manufacturing technology. I am Dr. Pin Sarma, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIT. So, when we talk about unconventional machining, it is something different from conventional machining. So, when we talk about conventional machining, what comprises of conventional machining like lathe machine, milling machine, shaping machines. So the basic difference between conventional and unconventional machine is that in conventional machining, there is a machining performed by a tool which is in contact, or we can say more precisely that it is in direct contact with the workpiece. So tool and workpiece are in direct contact and they perform machining by removal of the material. But in unconventional machining, the workpiece and tool contact is not there. So in upcoming slides, we discuss about